On behalf of ang Ligaya ng Panginoon community, it is our great joy and privilege to host for the second year the 2013 Harvest Conference.
Natutunan ko sa pag-attend ng Harvest is yung magplano, no? Dati-rati kasi pag-i-evangelize ako, parang sugod lang, sulong lang, ganyan, ano? At dito sa Harvest nga, na-equip ako, hindi lang ako, kundi yung mga nag-attend doon, kung paano talaga maaayos yung gusto mong plano, kung ilan yung gusto mong ma-evangelize.
And that to me is what evangelization is all about. Proclaiming through our very lives God's action in us.
Do you want your community to be inspired to evangelize? Do you want your community to do mission with greater effectivity? Do you want your community to learn some new skills so that you can influence more people in these modern times? If you want to do that, then I invite you to join us in the Harvest Conference 2013. Come, be inspired, and be equipped to do God's mission.